London Heathrow Terminal 5, I'm flying home to Florence. But first, one final look at luxury bags. By the time I finally checked my bag, cleared security, my relaxed shopping window had collapsed. 2 hours became 35 minutes. But I still wanted to see everything: Vuitton, Hermes, Chanel, Gucci, Coach. I wanted to check out the newest 2026 bags, compare airport prices on luxury handbags, and see whether airport shopping in London is actually worth it before flying home to Florence, Italy. Could I really explore Chanel handbags, designer bags, and luxury fashion in less than half an hour? This is 30 minutes, 3 boutiques, Chanel, Coach, and Harrods before my Florence flight. Let's be quick. First up, Chanel. This season at Chanel is different. All because of Matthieu Blazy, designer who made Bottega Veneta exciting again, has just debuted at Chanel. In this bag, there's something very dangerous about airport luxury shopping. Maybe it's the adrenaline, maybe it's the holiday mood. This Chanel bowling is beautiful. At London Heathrow, this bag is worth £5,390 or $6,900. If you love Chanel handbags, the airport boutique right now is honestly dangerous territory. Next up, Coach. Coach is having a real fashion moment right now. Relaxed shape, soft battery leather, very vintage coated, we see that. Then the prices. After Chanel, it almost feels suspiciously reasonable. But don't underestimate this bag, the leather quality is generally good. So this is accessible luxury done properly. But then Harrods stops me. I was in there just for the biscuits at first, but then I saw this beauty. A woolen leather bag sitting on the shelf. It instantly makes me think of Bottega Veneta. Not a copy exactly, but definitely inspired by it. If you know Bottega, you know the intrecciato weave, that beautifully woven leather technique that brand is famous for. But you know that the prices require emotional preparation. A Bottega bag can easily cost £4,000, so $5,500 or €4,600. This bag, very similar energy. And my Italian brain immediately goes, wait a second, this is actually good. If you love the quiet luxury aesthetic, woven leather bags, or designer bags inspired by Italian fashion, this is worth looking at. Okay, time was up, so we actually had to run. To sum up, 3 boutiques, 30 minutes. What's generally worth it? Chanel, honestly, less than I expected. Since Brexit, flying from the UK to Europe doesn't really give you the old duty-free luxury savings anymore. So don't expect dramatic airport discounts on Chanel handbags or designer bags. Coach, absolutely yes. The quality to price ratio is generally strong right now. And Harrods, unexpected find of the day. If you love quite luxury and woven leather bags with that Italian fashion aesthetic, go look at this one before everybody else discovers it. Watch this next. Alla prossima, bacini, Sofia!